Hello and welcome to the course Data Analysis with Python. I am Gaurav, the creator of this course, and through this short introduction, I will take you through what this course is all about. This course is designed around the essential tenets of data analytics. Thus, the chapter topics, the practice data, and the examples of data problems undertaken are relatable to the actual work that is done in this space. The practice dataset in each chapter of this course is carefully chosen to meet its overall objectives. The examples undertaken address the key challenges that one faces while working on a live project. For example, handling variable formats, handling data anomalies, renaming variables in data summaries, or making custom functions more dynamic and reusable. All the covered Python topics, for example, the concept of index, indexing operators, relevance of access, Boolean indexing, or data structures, have dedicated pre-lessons in the respective chapters, which provide a detailed explanation of the underlying concepts and thought process to help you see beyond syntax. At the same time, the course remains focused on practical usage of these topics and how best they could be used to solve a business problem with a data-driven solution. In every new chapter, we are performing new tasks with an increasing level of complexity and building upon what we have learned previously. Special care is taken to avoid any gaps as we move from basic to advanced concepts, so the course remains engaging throughout. This course will take a step-by-step approach and enable you to achieve 5 key milestones in the journey of data analysis, which are data ingestion and handling some of the common input data nuances, performing data quality checks and exploratory data analysis to assess input data relevance, adding richness to the input data by feature creation, which could serve the purpose of both model development and KPI reporting / dashboarding, creating meaningful data summaries and looking for insights to answer business questions, combining information from multiple files, and making process improvements by making custom functions more dynamic. You can use this course as a step-by-step guide to get an in-depth exposure of what it takes to conduct data analysis and derive insights. You can also use to your advantage the detailed code demonstrations and the practice datasets provided with each chapter to get hands-on with good programming skills on Python, something that the working professionals learn in their beginning years. On the covered topics, you will also learn some of the best practices that you can put to use in your day-to-day work and see their benefits yourself. Some of these examples are better work management, efficient code writing, and making process-related improvements. I really hope these details gave you a good overview of the course, and in case you do decide to take this course, I will meet you on the other side.